Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable and disable ANC mode on your headphones Xiaomi Buds 5. And let's start with open the application, remove your headphones from the charging case, and right now you have two options how to enable ANC. The first one is to click right here. Okay, maybe I put it inside my ears. Yeah, so you can just click here, or you have a second option by default. Just press and hold on the touch button right here, and it enabled or disabled ANC. So I'm just press and hold it, and as you can see, I'm just enable it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!